Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. We got the masterful Jeremy Ford over here. No, don't look over there. He's not over there. He's right here.
He's looking for the masterful one.
We got Jeremy over here, and these are his favorite Cheetos, right? He eats the crap out of these things. So he said, well, actually, he didn't say, but I was like, looking at the store the other day. I said, have we done these? Check my phone. We haven't done these yet. So, excuse me. I grabbed these and he's like, yeah, you remember these are my favorites. So, definitely let's review these. So these are Cheetos Crunchy Cheddar Jalapeño. Made with real cheese. These were $1.69. Get a better look at these. So I'm sure everybody and their dog has reviewed these by now. They've been out for quite some time. What's a serving, it says? For Cheetos Cheddar Jalapeno Crunchy Snacks, 21 is the right amount for jalapeno hoppin' fun. So you gotta be 21 to eat these. Is that what it's saying? It's got a buttload of ingredients on here. I'm not gonna read all that. That's just so much. If we're trying to get a different, if we say, hey, I think I'm tasting this, we'll look at this and see. But yeah, it's got, I mean, I'm just gonna, onion powder, you know, Romano cheese, stuff like that. Jalapeno pepper, we're gonna get that. Garlic powder, you know, we're gonna taste that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead. Ooh. Of course, he's like, I'm no stranger to that chip. All right. There they are. Let me get one out. You know, they got little flicks and little specks of pepper or something, some kind of herb or something on there. But otherwise, they look like a regular Cheeto, pretty much. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we got in that aroma. Getting cheese. Getting a little jalapeno.
A little bit.
Very lightly. Mm-hmm. We're probably going to get more on the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just smell like regular Cheetos with a little jalapeno aroma. Mm-hmm. Smell really good. Mm-hmm. 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 Very good. Mm-hmm. Getting the cheddar cheese. Little corn in there.
You taste jalapeno just a little bit.
Yeah, I didn't until I just swallowed some. Mm-hmm. Getting more on the swallow of the jalapeno. Not a whole lot of heat coming from it yet. Mm-hmm. Sometimes these kind of things is like the heat comes gradually as you keep on eating them.
Mm-hmm. Just leaves a light burn in your throat. That's about it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're pleasant. Mm-hmm. It's a pleasant heat, you know. Mm-hmm. It gives you the pleasure of a little heat, jalapeno taste. Mm-hmm. And you can eat them regularly, you know. Not have to wait a little bit for your mouth to cool down. Pretty good. I keep thinking I get a little tanginess, like a lime or something. Am I getting something like that? Don't really say anything like that. Getting a little garlic, a little bit of onion powder. see how they taste with this Venom energy drink. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Man. Alright. Very crunchy. Fresh. Very good. Let us know if you like these. I don't know who wouldn't like these. I think they're good. The only thing I heard is that I think Tim said something about you can set a match to these and they'll burn like an incense or something. There's some kind of there's something in them that makes it so that they'll burn or something weird. I don't remember what it is. Maybe the disodium guanylate or something. Okay. Well, we're going to end it there. But thank you all for watching. Go grab you some of these. You like these kind of snacks? I'm going to have to go lock these up so Jeremy doesn't eat them all. I don't know. We'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.